welcome back to Recipes by Aisha. Today I'll be making the most delicious Shami Kababs. Watch this video till the end to learn all the tips to make these Shami Kababs at home, which are so easy to make. Let's cook these. In a pressure cooker, take 2 cups of water and add diced beef without fat in it. Then add washed and soaked lentils, 1 onion which is roughly cut, red chili buttons, cardamoms, cinnamon stick, cloves, peppercorns, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, salt, turmeric powder, and ginger and garlic paste. Now give it a proper mix with a ladle to get everything mixed together without turning on the pressure cooker. I've added 2 cups of water as per my pressure cooker. You can increase the water quantity if your cooker needs more water for pressure cooking. Now cover it and pressure cook it for 20 to 25 minutes as per your pressure cooker, as my cooker has meat option labeled for 20 minutes. So I am pressing that option. After 20 minutes, when you release the pressure, this is how the meat and lentils look like. Give it a mix to check if the meat and lentils are properly tender. In the food processor, you have to first chop the greens. So take green chilies, coriander leaves, and mint leaves. Give it a proper chop for a minute so that it could easily get mixed with the kebabs. Once it is done, then add the meat and lentils mixture to the processor in a small quantity. You have to process it in a few batches, so take a small quantity every time and then process it till it gets into a fine paste. It might take 1 to 2 minutes till it turns completely into a kebab paste. This is how the Shami Kebab mixture should look like. You can then keep it aside and process the remaining meat and lentils mixture as well. Transfer the kebab mixture in a bowl and add an egg, which will help us in binding the kebabs. Mix the egg with the kebab mixture properly till it is well combined. You can use your hand or a spatula here to mix it. This kebab mixture looks so good and it smells so delicious right now. Now take a small bowl with some water to wet your hands and take a small quantity of a kebab mixture in your hand. Make a ball and then press it to turn it into a patty shape. You can see it is so easy to shape them and would hardly take 30 seconds to shape them. This is how your beef Shami Kebab patty should look like. Now in a fry pan, pour some oil as you need to shallow fry the kebabs on medium to low flame. Add the beef Shami Kebabs one by one in the pan and let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes till the kebabs turn golden brown. Then flip the sides and fry for 1 to 2 minutes again. Your delicious Shami Kebab looks so perfectly fried. You can freeze these Shami Kababs as well after shaping them for later use, or you can fry them straight away as well. Look at the color of the Shami Kababs. They are so easy to make and you can easily enjoy them as a side with so many other dishes, or you can make Shami Kebab sandwiches too for lunch. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments below how you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.